Roadhouse Blues bass tutorial. Here we go. And the link to the song is down below, along with a link to your free ebook on setting your bass up, getting this bass right to you. Everything you need to know on bass setups is there. So definitely grab that for free. Now, Roadhouse Blues, the song by The Doors, a popular blues song that you hear every time you go out to listen to a band gig. Most time you're going to hear Roadhouse Blues. It's a popular one, and it's not too difficult, but people will enjoy it, and it's definitely well known. So it's in the key of E, and the bass line is just going to be for like the first 36 bars. The guitar comes in the beginning, and then the bass comes in, and about a bar or two in, the bass comes in. And it does that for about 36 bars. You're doing it. So you really have time to dial that bass line in. But everybody knows that song. You can play that, they know exactly what it is. So it's a popular one. So just do that. E, A, B flat, B. "36 bars of that, so keep on keeping on that one. And on about bar 37, we go to a chorus, and it's going to be and it only does that for 4 bars, and then it goes to, it builds on a B. It's going to be D, C sharp, E, F sharp, back to E. And do the shuffle, get the shuffle feel. So it does that 4 times, and then on the 4th time it stops on the F sharp, and it does on the B, it goes to the B, and it does a little punch here, B to C, back to B, and then it ends it right there, and then it goes back into the verse. And it does this for a good while too. We've got the verse that goes on, he sings, and then there's a guitar solo over this. And over the guitar solo, the bass line changes just every other time it changes. It does little fills here and there. So you can get away with doing that, but he changes every now and he just does octave here and there. Just does that a few times, but that's going to be the verse part again. It keeps it consistent with the E, B, A, B flat to B. It's consistent with that every time, every other time. But then in between those other times, we've got A, we've got E, up to the octave E, and then D, and then to the B. So that's the other lick that keeps the rhythm in that particular lick. And he does that a few times too. And all he does there, he just changes the rhythm up to go to the octave, D. Okay, so that's all he does there. So he keeps it interesting through the guitar solo with some stuff like that. But he lays back enough to keep the, to stay true to the song. He doesn't get too crazy, and get too flashy at all. It's just, he lays back, but he gives a little character as needed. Sparse, but definitely needed and effective. So that's going to be it. That's the verse, 36 bars, 37 bars. You've got a 4-bar chorus, which is actually probably 6 bars because of the build on the B, and then the C to the B, and then it starts over and it goes again, a verse. So it actually goes, after that chorus they go right into the guitar solo, but it's over the verse line still. There's the fills in there, and then it goes into just a groove, and they're kind of, it's like a bridge. The bass line stays the same, but the vocals changes. He's kind of improvising vocals. I'm not even sure if he's saying anything. He's just kind of chanting stuff, but it's not, it's just a groove to just keep that groove, just keep people up and grooving to the song. Then it goes to another chorus again. Four bars. And all that is, they do those punches at the end to end that song. That's the ending of the chorus. You build on the B, and then you go B, C, D, E flat, E. Okay? And then they do, and then they end it. That's the end of the song right there. So that's all it is. Just get the feel for that. And then the song's over. So a quick and easy one to learn. Definitely a fan pleaser. They like to hear the song. They know the song. They're familiar with it. So it's definitely good for that. And it's a good one. Another blues song that'll help people get, help your band, your ensemble get tighter together and just really, tighten things up. And if you haven't seen my videos on the blues, check these out. I've got a blues playlist there you can check out also. Lots of stuff you need to know about the blues that'll help you kind of get your band together. And it's the best way to get your band together, to tightness and stuff. You can just, you can step right in. You've never played with these guys. You can step right in that day and say, let's play a blues in A. And then you would definitely get the count off, tempo, and then it's just a way that everybody can get a feel for one another, and just you can start making music immediately and just build off of that right there. So that's what these videos are good for. So check those out. And I'm Donald Whip, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Like I said earlier, jump over there, subscribe. Definitely get your free ebook. Just by subscribing and becoming a member for free, get your free ebook. Everything you need to know how to set your bass up, everything about bass setups there. And each one's unique to each of us. So you definitely want to know how to do that and make those adjustments. And this is I Want to Play Bass. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in the loop, don't miss a beat. Help me help you. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all on the flip flop in the next video. Bye for now.